and the members who are going to sit on the dais. Myself, Rajrishi Tiwari, I'm the Chief Events Officer of Express Avenue. First of all, I would like to congratulate Gujarat Cultural Committee for organizing the third year of continuous festival of Navratri at Express Avenue Mall. It is also a pride of Express Avenue Mall. Before we would like to go ahead, we would like to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Nikisha Patel, on the dais, please. Actor, Mr. Ashwin, on the dais, please. For the launch of Region Navratri Festival at Express Avenue, I would like to also invite Mr. Prashant Mumedi and Mrs. Prashant Mumedi on the stage, please. I would like to invite Sri Ganesh on the stage, please. He is the head leasing and marketing of Express Avenue Mall. I would like to invite Mr. Dilip Kumar, the founder and patron of Gujarat, on the stage, please. And I would like to invite Mr. Viresh on the stage, please. Viresh bhai, you're looking very charming as usual. Yes, Region Navratri at Express Avenue 2013, the much awaited event of the year, is back again with a very, very classic way. The word Navratri literally means 9 nights in Sanskrit, Nava meaning 9 and Ratri meaning nights, so it becomes Navratri. During these 9 nights and 10 days, 9 forms of Shakti Devi are worshipped, but the 10th day is commonly referred to as Vijayadashmi or Dashera, which is said to be the victory of over evil. Complete evil has been destroyed. Navratri is a very important and major festival in western states of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka, during which the traditional dance of Gujarat called Garba is widely performed. This festival is celebrated with great zeal in North India, as well as including Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and the northern state of Punjab, and has also spread highly in southern parts including Chennai, where it has a great following, like we are having it in Express Avenue Mall, that is Navratri Festival 2013. Chennai has witnessed this mega festival with the efforts of Gujarat Cultural Committee, which has revived this culture over the last 3 years. This has become very successful because of some very, very key and important people and the founder patron behind this entire event. I'd like you to give a great round of applause for the 6 founder patrons: Dilip Kumarji, Mr. Bhavesh Parekh, Mr. Jayesh Rana, Mr. Bhavan Dave, Mr. Lalit Budra, and Viresh Mehta. We are proud to present Region Navratri at Express Avenue 2013 in association with Mafatlal and powered by GRT Prakriti for the 3rd year. Last 2 years saw a great turnout of devotees and also young and old crowds to participate in Garba and Dandiya during these 9 nights, which you had also seen in the video which was played sometime before. So this is a small detail about Dandiya and Gujarat Festival. Would somebody like to introduce me or like to go ahead with myself? Yes. Okay, in this schedule sheet, myself, I have to give a few words of what exactly has been happening. I should leave it to you? Okay. Okay, on this occasion, myself, Rajrishi Tiwari, the Chief Events Officer of Express Avenue Mall, and Mr. Ganesh, Head Leasing and Marketing, is available here with me. We are representing Express Avenue Mall with E-Hotel, which is a new venture which has come up. This festival started in the year 2011. I still remember that entire team of Gujarat had come down here, and it was one of the most awesomest event ever happened in Express Avenue Mall. And yes, we wish the entire Gujarat team best of luck for the 3rd consecutive year and get this thing once again rolling. I'd like to call upon Bhavin Dave. Bhavin ji, please come on and take the proceedings.
Good evening, friends. My dear, very good friends. Right? I would not like to differentiate anybody through gender because I don't believe in it. First and foremost, I would like to really thank people who have supported us year and year and year repeatedly, and we sincerely know that his support is always with us. Mr. Prashant Bhai Umidi of Prakriti, who has been continuously supporting us all these years with his wholeheartedness. We really don't have words to explain the way he has supported us. Thank you, Prashant Bhai. We would sincerely thank one more silent player who has really helped Gujarat to come to this level, and his name is Mr. Manish. He has been playing a very, very vital role every year. He has been a very good friend, philosopher, advisor, guide, and I can go on. Thank you. Now, as everybody is aware what is Navratri is all about. You seriously want me to talk? I'm already loud here. You are... Okay, I will not be comfortable, I'm sorry. As you all know what Dussehra is all about, so I will not speak about Dussehra anymore. Can you guys hear me? I'm audible? You need to change your mic, Mr. Raj. Sorry. As you guys already know what Dussehra is all about, so I will not take much of your time on Dussehra. Right? I will not give you any briefing what Dussehra is all about, or what we do in this Dussehra, or what is this all about, or why we play Dussehra, or why Dandiya is being played. Anybody is interested in knowing it about? I don't see an answer at all.
Yes.
You are interested. Come on, you are Patel. You know what Dandiya is. Okay. See, Dussehra is basically nothing but faith. If you believe God, you believe in Dussehra. Right? It is the only lengthiest festival available for us to celebrate. Will that do? Or you want me to explain it in region wise? Great. And that is the only colorful event wherein parents allow their children with wholehearted faith that they will come back safe in the morning, and they go perform Dandiya, get exhausted, take rest in the morning, and come back again the next evening. That is what Navratri is all about. Fine? We would sincerely like to thank Express Avenue for providing this platform, without which Gujarat would not have been Gujarat as it is today. For that, we would ask patrons to give a big clap to Mr. Ganesh, and a sincere hug to Mr. Raj Rishi Tiwari, who has always been with us 24/7, day, night, anytime, any trouble. He has really helped us to perform our event to this success. We are able to do it successfully. We are coming back again and again. That is purely and purely because of their professionalism. Otherwise, we don't think any mall or any venue can get this type of footfall repeatedly with this type of approach, this type of acceptance, and this type of publicity. Right? I will not take much of time, and I will hand over the mic back to Rajvesh.
Unfortunately, I have a very small speech. Navratri is very special to my heart. I am a Gujarati, and I have been celebrating this event since I was a child. Unfortunately, I have never been to a Navratri function in India. Hopefully this year I will come to Express Mall. Let me see what it's all about, because in London there's a huge rave about how Navratri is done in India. And of course it's the originality comes from here, and I just wanted to also congratulate you on your 3rd year at Express Mall. It is a tough task, it's a heavy job to do, and of course to bring Gujarat into a different state, it is a very tough job. Me being Gujarati, so Congratulations and all the best. Of course, your 4th, 5th, and very much onwards. Thank you.
Okay, I'm totally unprepared for this. I was not expecting this. Anyway, I'm actually happy to be involved with this team of guys. Very passionate in what they've done. So I've repeatedly been joining them because of that one reason. And I will also in future, hopefully. Thank you.
Ellarkum vanakkam. Very happy to be part of this press meet. They told me that VGN Group is doing this for the last 2 to 3 years, 2 years. So I actually have a friend in Ahmedabad, and they always tell me that the Gujarati, the Dandiya festival there is very colorful, and idella paatha, it's like a mini version of that. So very happy, and all the best to the Gujarat team. Thank you.
Welcome all the patrons. Vanakkam, adha sollikiren. Being a Tamilian, basically any dance, when you talk about, there kind of some speciality will be there. We have been witnessing with Bharatanatyam, Odissi, something different. And for me, being in a part of Express Group, the first year onwards we have been seeing this Dandiya festival in EA. It's like you can call it as a thiruvila. In Tamil சொல்லுவோம்ல ஒரு பெரிய திருவிழா மெகா திருவிழா நடக்குது இல்லையா ஒரு 9 நாளைக்கு. You will be delighted and you will be really mesmerized the way right from the 5-year-old kid to 50-year-old, you know, no gender and specific. The dancing awesome. Hopefully this year I am also planning with some dress code to dance with you all people. And I wish the grand success on behalf of the EIPL management. Rightly Ms. Patel said that 4th, 5th, 6th year door is always open from Express Avenue for your activity. Thank you so much.
Vanakkam. I'll just say that this Navaratri event is not possible without our six. We just started this in an say summa okandukte irundom. We thought we were playing Navaratri in different places. So why not in Chennai? Why we should not bring our own culture to Chennai? We have to show some differently to the people. So we planned this, we made it, we worked very hard the first year, the same consecutive year we have got experience, and now this stage we are calling press meet. So this is a huge this thing I can say from a success, and I hope this will go on continuous. Thank you.
This should be the only press meet. Yes, never happened for Dandiya. In fact, yes, me being a very key witness for the Dandiya for the past 2 years, is going to be 3rd year. My special and real warm thanks to Dilip ji. Thank you so much. My special thanks to Bye. Thank you very much. My special thank to Bye. Thank you so much. And Lalit, thanks a ton. Before I wind up and give it to for the Thanksgiving to Mr. Lalit Bothra, I would like to thank our MD, Mrs. Kavita Singhania. She has been giving us this great opportunity to showcase this great festival, and our chairperson, Mrs. Saroj Goenkaji. So I will hand over to Mr. Lalit Bothra for giving the thanking speech, and thank you very much, and all of you are welcome to see the Dandiya event at Express Avenue Mall.
Thank you, one and all of you here, to make it on a very short notice. In fact, we have just planned it in the last 2 days, and I would like to thank the entire press, media, all people who are here, and our chief guest, Ms. Nikisha Patel, Mr. Ashwin Kakamanu, all the sponsors, and we really like to thank VGN, Mafatlal, GRT, Womudi, and all other sponsors who are helping us to make it a big event, and we require your support as well, the entire media support to make this event a successful one. So we look forward that we'll have a great event, and we request all of you to be present whenever you are available to come in for the event. We start from 5 to 13th October, and we request everyone to have this event covered in your various medias.